How to fix TikTok login problem. Hello guys, so first thing, open the settings, go to apps and then go to the apps manager. Now you have to wait a few seconds. After you wait a few seconds, scroll until you find TikTok app, click on it and then click on this force stop option or stop running the app, and then go to the permissions. Enable all the permissions, especially the storage permission. Go back and click on the storage here. This is the internal storage. Click on clear data and choose delete right here. Go back to the settings again. Go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it, and then you have to wait 10 seconds and disable it back again. And last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store, search for TikTok and update it. That's it guys. Now you have to restart your phone and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.